Junk Car Willie here, guys and gals. I'm at the Midwest's largest swap meet and car corral with the car show. This is Springfield, Ohio. Swap meet and car show. Supposedly 700 cars last year. And I ain't talking car show, I'm talking it's for sale. Every one of them, I'm showing the contact information so you guys can be part of this experience. I don't know what he's talking about, rat rod. That thing looks custom all the way. Here's your contact information on this 55 Ford. This 38 Plymouth is looking killer. Contact information. Look at this mystery machine. It's one of the better ones I've seen. If the van's rocking, don't you dare come knocking. Man, look at that. The shag. Man, that's the best looking Scooby-Doo van I've seen. I've seen a lot of versions, but that one's just, yeah, it's a little bit better. You know what I mean? I love the inside, man. It screams 1970 custom van. Here's his contact, 14.5. That might be the deal of the show. Said that a few times, ain't I? And you gotta make the guys feel good. Plus, I don't say it unless I think it is. We got us a 52. That's what year my dad's was, a 52. His was a two-door hardtop. This is a sedan. It's got the posts. Nice interior. Where's the interior's new? That's what I was going to share the contact information. New interior. Yeah. Well, he ain't got a number, guys. 17,000. That sounds like a deal, though.
What's that?
I don't think you could build it for that. I mean, paint's so expensive anymore. This Plymouth Fury 3. Not a Fury 1, not a Fury 2, but a Fury 3. And on top of that, a convertible with a white top. That's killer. Right here at 68, 99.99. Contact information. SoCal Speed Shop. Colorado, that plate 66 and 10.5. Look at that 57 Chevy convertible that just came in. Yeah, I like the original paint with the artwork, even though it ain't original, you know. Nice little 47 or 48 Chevy. 47. Here's the heart of it, guys. There's your contact information. And you know, guys, if they're like me, you always got to ask a little higher to keep people from killing you. Oh man, look at this little Nova too. That thing is killer. I love gassers, man. He's got the wheel wells cut out. Man. 22.5 513-96709-64. going around and around in circles, trying to do it like row by row so I get everything. Don't want to miss one car. Clean looking 24.9 possible trade. Let's see, here is this 64 to 66. He is slammed to the ground. I like the little cutouts. Everybody loves a Cutlass. No, at least I do. 16.5, it's got the 442 hood on it. It's not, because if it was, them ones would be showing, wouldn't it, guys? It's the Raleigh 350, okay. Look at that. Interior looks original. Yeah, I like that. Raleigh 350. That's the killer shot. Yeah, these ones came with the painted bumper from factory, if I remember right. A lot of people did that after when they custom, but pretty sure this one's factory that way. Got me some meat on the tires. $18.5.
Hey, Tom.
18.5. I gotta get me something to drink. I don't see no contact information on this one. Probably told his wife he's gonna go try to sell it. Put a price on it, walk away. Stay away from it. Oh, we got some 54. 53. There's the contact. $4,200. Yeah. Going every which way, guys. That one has no contact information in it. There's 66. There's the contact information. You guys want a Trans Am? 14.5. Look at this little thing. That's a beast, isn't it? Man, little rat paint. Little custom going everywhere on that. It's like I'm proud of my bad body work. I'm going to show it off. Pretty darn cool. Little goat man. Goat man. It's on an 85 Firebird frame. There's your contact information. It's definitely wild looking. Look at this little baby right here. Somebody's put that's one of the taller versions. What are they? Rare, hard to find, later model, 3/4 ton chassis. Yeah, these ones, these panels, you can tell how much wider they are. Somebody put a windshield like the new style in it. Oop, there's your contact information. Yeah, just did a video on a Suburban 47. It's got the windows. Only one registered in West Virginia. It's cool. Starting to break out on it though, guys. All through here. Try to show you it all. Yeah, I've never seen one of these. Just like how the doors, I don't know if that's factory or, I know the roof is taller. which I think was a factory thing, but I don't know what they called them. Guys, let me know what they called that extra high panel truck. El Camino looking good. 14.5. Here's the contact information. He's got a bunch of tires to go with it. Thunderbird. Let's take a look at this 66. Here's your contact information. Yeah, 66. Red line tires, looking good on it. Bucket seats, console, it always looks sharp. $8,500. $8,500. Take 98, they want you. No. Oh, I thought you was talking about this one. He thinks so.
Yeah, he thinks so.
I think he's got that on the wrong.
Yeah, he's got it on the wrong card.
There's your contact information. Killer seats in it. Go around on this side, don't bother the guys. Coming up onto a nice one, rare one. Yeah, he's got a custom seat in it, that's cool. But look at this, guys. 12K, T-top, 74, Hirsch Olds W25. That's pretty cool. You don't see too many of these. It's got the original swivel seats in it. 4-speed car. Oh my. What can you say about this? I think it's worth 10K all day if I had that kind of money. It's got 12K on it. It does look to be. Can't be original paint, is it? Could be. Short shot right there. Ours is discount muffler. Everybody likes a 5-window Chevy truck. Discount muffler. I like that. Steelies and all on it. Spotlights, dual spotlights, $29.5. Oh, I don't like it that much. There's the contact information. If you got money to blow, you know, buy what you want. Junk Car Willie, maybe someday if you guys keep watching my videos and I go viral or something, maybe I'll be able to come out here instead of going out in the fields looking for abandoned cars. Nah, I just buy more abandoned cars. You guys know me. Little Pontiac wagon. Huh? Mine will be wagon. Okay, let's hit the ones we missed right here. Okay, just these two right here is all we missed. 53 Ford, there's your contact information.
Hey, if I come back to me, take it with me.
No. You know, I better take it home.
All right.
No, I can't take no camera.
I know, buddy.
There's the deal of the day right there. That's the deal of the day, so maybe I jump on that. I got 10.5. I got you on YouTube. That might be sold before you get back. That might be sold before you get back. You better get her. We're gonna watch the deal go down. 10.5. That's the deal of the day, maybe. YouTube, yeah, YouTube guy. YouTube. Okay, we didn't get these two, did we? Nope. We did not. 64 GMC 29.5. Okay, we got these through here. Got these through here. Let me get back on path right now. I know where I gotta go. Even though you guys might not have seen it in this video, I'm trying to break it up and either 8 minutes so I can get on Facebook, or keep it on down to at least 30 minutes for you guys on YouTube. And then I share it everywhere else. Check all my channel links in my description of my channel. All the other social media I'm on. You can help support me with Patreon, super thanks, PayPal, all that's in there. It really, you know, I stay overnight in a car or tent, eat them like $5 to $10 a day when I travel. I just need it for gas to get out, find these beautiful cars for you. Back roads and beyond, looking for unseen automotive content of our transportation history. My buddy just took one from over in Syracuse and dropped it off to get restored. Had it since he was in high school, 20 years or so. Well, that ain't a custom. We'll come back to that when people ain't around. 65 Chevy Nova looking sharp. Yeah, that collar goes together good. It's got him an LS in it. Yeah, nice interior. I don't see a price on this. Might be the car show part here. He's got it hung up in the car show. He's got it in the cold crown. LS down in there. Look at this custom, guys. Ford of some sort. 37, 38.
Yeah, this whole magazine.
37.
Okay. This is all.
Oh, there he is in street rods, guys. Here's this car right there in street rods.
Cold AC.
What issue is that in?
97. That's street rod.
1997 street rod
Yeah, it was built
edition.
for SEMA.
I believe it. I believe it. It's a beautiful car.
Thank you. I drive it everywhere. I drive it to Pigeon Forge Rod Run. I drive it on the Power Tour to Norwalk.
513-344-4347,
Don't tell nobody,
guys.
but I was 91 mile an hour most of the time in this car. And you can't fit it. It's the smoothest thing ever. Put it on the lift. You can wax the frame. It's all stainless exhaust, stainless tank.
Man, that
It's
thing
an
is
old build,
clean.
but it drives
5-liter Cobra in it. Man, that's clean. Look at that firewall, how clean that thing is. Yeah. Let's hit these cars and then we'll go back down through there. Just kind of pin in on the contact information so you guys, if you're interested. I had a 94 Cougar back in 98, 99, something like that. These flat colors are really coming around. $8,500. If you drive it home, that ain't a bad deal. Still needs a little bit of work, I think. Drive it like it is.
Got a cute little wagon. Mine was falling apart. But that's the one I had.
$1,800, guys. Right here's his number. That's a
It is.
decent little deal. other ones. Like a notchback, huh? I don't see too many of those. There's someone's got the hatchback. I love these cutlasses with these, what do you call them? Fastback style, really. Nice little project, 75. It's 20,000. Oh, my cousin, Mustang Sally, Tammy Hood would like this paint job, man. Does that look like a tail, or does it look like he's doing something else right there? You guys know what I mean, huh? It's like he had some chili blowout. Tell you what, it's beautiful up front. Well, it's beautiful already. I had a 2000 back in, I think it was 07, 08. It's not nice like this. Mine was black on black. There's your contact information, guys. 16,000 miles. Not only $26,000. Not only is it, it's a low mile on top of being customized. My gosh, gotta remember where I'm at so I can go back that way. 74065 615 1677 18.5, guys. No trades. Low part looks killer. Don't see no contact information. A lot of times guys don't want to put the number because they don't want to. That's what people call them. That trunk's pretty solid on it for the way the quarters look. Oh, here it is. 3,800 for 66 Belvedere. Mr. Keith there, he's got one. 48,000 miles when he restored it, and I think it had one little teeny tiny hole in it. That's how original his car is. Well, let's hit this before we go down that aisle. That's a clean looking 70 Cutlass.
What's going on, dude?
What do you say, buddy? Trying to get your contact information out there, see if somebody wants it.
Hey,
455, huh?
Tell me to call me. I'll take him for a ride and she's hot.
That's a beautiful collar. I'm putting it on the YouTube and Facebook. I got a little channel called Junk Car, like Junkyard, but Junk Car Willie.
Yeah, my phone number's not on there. Junk Car Willie.
Well, you want to tell it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Junk Car Willie.
It's 70 Cutlass. Number's 304-483-2207.
Where you out of, West Virginia?
West Virginia.
Where at? I'm from West Virginia.
Parkersburg.
Okay, you're about an hour from me. I'm down in Mason County, town of Mason, about 10 miles from Point Pleasant.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, number's 304-483-2207.
Okay, give him a call, guys. He said he'd take your ride in it. Man, he's got you ready. He's got the roll cage and all. 455. I got a 70 Riviera with the 455 in it. Believe it or not, I was telling one people, it's like, I've heard of you. Man, it just makes me grin when somebody tells me, yeah, I watch your videos. You know, it just puts joy in my heart. That thing is clean. I hope I can help you sell it, buddy.
Hey, thank you, sir.
That's a ZZ Top looking car here. hit in the front, evidently. I think 33 is the top car. This is 34. It's kind of got the paint down the side, is why I said that. Okay, let's get back up here. Man, clean looking El Camino, right beside a very clean square body. There's your contact information, guys. It's got the SS front end on it. 17.9 for a 77 Chevy, looking original. 80,000 miles on it. 740-590-4742. All original paint and interior. Man, you just don't find them original that old, guys. And this clean. Seat's not even wore down. It's had a good 80,000 on it. Now look, he did not haul stuff in that. That is a nice looking bed. Another square body. A little short bed here. We'll customize. 24.9 for this one. There's your contact. Man, if that thing just don't scream at you, I love that collar combination on this. 69, it's a Yanko Tribute, but you ain't go find a real Tribute for sale, a real one. Big block, there's your contact information. I tell you what, as far as a Tribute, he has got it looking just like the Yankos. $427. That is sharp looking.
Right, yeah, exactly.
Let's hit this one right here on the end. Let's hit this one. You don't see these very often. Little B-dub rabbit truck. I mean, you used to. You just don't see them anymore. I don't think this one's for sale. Ain't got no contact information on it, but it's a cool little vehicle of our transportation history, isn't it, guys? Let's go check this 73 out. I always like these opera wheels. You either hate them or you don't. 67, 68, 68. Right there's your $3,800. 74, huh? I guess 73 and 74 was opera lenses. I was thinking it was just 73 for some reason. She's a little rough, guys, but you gotta start with something, right? Oh, my favorite tripod, 55 Chevy. And I'm loving that bluish grayish collar. Yeah, that paint's just, it's killer. Four speed, yeah, I like that interior. 47.5, there's your contact information. C8 body style Corvette. Tan does look good with that white. I don't see no contact information there. Is it for sale? I didn't see. Okay. It's a beautiful car.
Thanks.
I tell you what, you know, Corvette was always a USA car, but when they went with this body style, it became a world
It is a world car.
car. Well, it might have been before. I didn't mean that.
I agree
I just
with
meant it really competes with the cars that's
Ferraris and
3 or 4
Lambos.
times as much. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's half, less than half the money.
Yeah. It's a beautiful car you got there, sir.
Thanks.
Just as fast.
Yeah. And probably parts are cheaper, right? Easier to get
Everything's
anyway.
less than a Ferrari.
Yeah, when they went, I know, you know, there was a big thing about where they had the round tail lights for decades, you know, about not being on that car, but I don't think it would have looked right on that, you know.
No, they wouldn't.
You know, I think they went the right direction. I know.
They did.
I even think the guys that was a little hesitant after they seen them, kind of like, okay, I see where you guys are going.
Yeah, that is such a cool car.
Oh, it is. It's. I don't really usually like white, but just something about that interior sets that white off.
Yeah, that.
So we got the 36 here for 35, 614-561-9504, and you could be in a nice 36 Dodge. American convertible. Seen a wrecked one out of them out at Stapleton's, didn't we? Are you watching my video, Clifford? Clifford's Auto Parts, Crown City High. Look them up, give them a call, guys. Hey, if you're in the Mopar, they got everything from 30s Mopars up to late model wrecks, and I'm talking Challengers and Camaros. So give them a holler, guys. Oh, contact information on the Camaro, right? I had a 78 Cutlass. Mine was that maroon this color with a white vinyl top. Wasn't a W30, white interior. That's the one. LS swapped this. I tell you what, them are good engines. They make great horsepower, but man, they are the ugliest as far as the engine in an old car. I mean, I don't mean that with hate. It's just an ugly engine. But I get the idea, you know, the horsepower is unreal what you can do with these cars. A little bit of, did a little better job on that. You do all that body work and then you get tired right down to the ends. The guys that do it by themselves, and sometimes you hurry. I am no body man, so I give them a big shout out. I wonder if this is a W30. I mean, you know, factory W30. There's an OBS trucks, body style, short bed, up high. There's your contact information. 740-816-9392. I like the way they got them headlight covers on there. You don't see too many Oldsmobiles this year. 1940. Yeah, 40. Look at that. This, you know, that grill. It's just downright cool. We're getting up 34 minutes. Went longer than I thought. Well, we're going to do one more right here beside it. Right beside the 55 that I just did. But then I lost. 63 or 64?
4.
Beautiful. I like what you did with the tailpipes there.
Thank you.
Fender skirts just look killer on this car.
Yeah.
Some cars, they look better without, but you know, some don't. Here's old Doug's contact information for 23.5. You could be driving in this. Remember, guys, as always, it'd be a boring world if we was all the same. Keep being you.